Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. My name's Chris. Now look at this one. I absolutely love this car. It's gorgeous. So this is a Range Rover Sport HSE, finished in my opinion, maybe I'm biased, the best colour combination. So you've got the gorgeous white with the black exterior part, black wheels. It's a gorgeous car. So it's a V6 diesel and it's just arrived. Let me show you around it. So starting off at the front, as I've mentioned, we've got that black exterior part with the white. It looks beautiful. Nice gloss black grille. You've got the front parking sensors on there as well, and as we come around the car, look at them 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. They look gorgeous. You know, from a side profile, just looking at that stance, it's beautiful. It's framed really nicely with your privacy glass and your gloss black detailing around the windows, but also the side steps on there, just giving it a nice bit of frame. And you've also got the side spears, the bonnet bits on there, and those gloss black wheels there as well, and front and rear mud flaps. Definitely worth having on a car like this. Got keyless entry on there as well. I've left the engine running just to warm it up because it's freezing right now, but hopefully the summer's on its way. Let's open up the tailgate. Again, more of that gorgeous branding, the black spear. We've got rear camera, rear sensors on there, and a huge boot in the Range Rover Sport. So also has air suspension, so I can raise that car up and down, you know, if you're getting heavier items in and out, and you can also do it from inside the car as well. So if you're seeing someone struggling with the shop and coming towards the back, you can do it from the centre console. We've also got a space saver spare wheel, which is always a great thing to have. And did I mention the power assisted tailgate? Standard thing, which is a great thing to have. So it is an approved used car, so it goes through a 165-point health check by JLR trained technicians, and it comes with the at the very least 12 months Land Rover warranty. If you finance the car, you get an additional 12 months as well, so that's worth looking into. So in the back, look at that. Those seats are gorgeous. They've barely been touched. I'm hoping the camera gets close up and can pick this up. You can see they're still nice and supple. It's obviously been very well kept, and they are a heated rear seat as well, which is great. Let's have a look inside the front. I'll just pop round. Those steps are brilliant, dead easy to get in and out of. So the car's done 58,588 miles as of the time of this video. Got a nice little heated steering wheel as well as the heated seats on there as well. We've got a 3-stage memory function for both driver and passenger, and I mentioned the heat seats, but also the heated rear seats as well. So the infotainment system, so we've got Bluetooth, voice control, DAB radio, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There is all sorts on this, but it's a great system. It's really easy to use, and if somebody is playing about with that system, you still need to know what you're doing. You've got this secondary screen down here, which you can go into your different driving modes. So you've got your grass, gravel, snow, your mud ruts program. It's an incredibly capable vehicle anyway, as Range Rover Sports always are, and you can toggle between those modes just by using this as well. So if you're doing some real off-roading, you can sort of, you know, you don't have to use a touch screen, which is brilliant. So let's get my seats on as well. Brilliant. We've got dual zone climate control on there, and you can also toggle between your media. Interactive driver's display on there, so it's nice one big screen, currently set to the dials, but you can set it to your maps and things if that's what you prefer. And then underneath we've got bags of storage, and then even more underneath those cup holders as well, kind of like a little secret compartment, as well as obviously you got your glove box, but you've got a secondary one in there as well. So I mean, it's a brilliant car as standard, but this one is made that little bit better by the fact that it's got an open and panoramic roof. I really should have showed you that while we're inside. In fact, actually, give us the camera 1 second. Sorry, I'm a little bit unorthodox. There we go. Look at that. Flooding the interior with light. I'm not going to open it because it's freezing. Let me give that back to our good Zoe there. So let's recap some of the features we've spotted. There's probably more, but I can't fit them all in. So we've got the gorgeous paint with the black detail in. That contrast is amazing. It definitely stands out. I'm hoping the camera's picking that up. We've got 22-inch gloss black wheels, the fixed side steps, the front and rear mud flaps. We've got the air suspension on there, the open and panoramic roof. We've got, I mean, it looks gorgeous. Definitely come and see this car in the flesh if you can. If you'd like to make an inquiry, you can do that on this website, or just give us a call. The number is 01642 644 444.